Hi, my name is Akash, and today my video is about the demonstration pulse width modulation simple demo video. Here I have one SCSRO for ultrasonic distance sensor that is connected in with a Raspberry Pi and a breadboard, and then I have one LED that is connected with two jumper wires. One is for ground and one goes to this pin number 33, which is for pulse width modulation. And yeah, so now I will go to the codes. This is my code that's called distance measure. I will go from the top. I have assigned a LED, the pulse width modulation for pin 33, and this one is for trigger and this one is echo. I have main two functions here. One detects this one keeps updating the distance closer to the object, and another function is for adjusting LED brightness. So these two functions will be called from the main processing. So once this distance is updated from the distance function, then I send that distance to adjust brightness function, and this is the adjust brightness function. When this distance is passed as input, this will do some calculations. If the distance is less than 5 centimeter, the brightness will go the most bright, which is 100, and according to that, as the distance is farther, the LED brightness goes less bright, and when the distance is more than 100 centimeter, then brightness goes to 0, which means off. And I will go and run the code, then we can have a look at the LED and distance if it is working accordingly. And let's have a look at the circuit now. Our code is running. Now I will slowly take my hands near the sensor, and as my hands will go closer, that LED is going brighter, and I will go closer and closer, and now it's brighter, and now I will go farther, and brightness has gone dim as well, and I will go close to this again. The LED is going bright again, and I will move forward, and that has gone to brightness very low. And that is it for my demo. Thank you for watching.